Our teams continue to monitor this winter weather moving and becoming a very serious threat for parts of our state. Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb joining us now. Chris, this is a very serious winter storm moving in, really putting that out there for those who are saying, you know what, it's not going to be that bad. Your models are showing otherwise.
We are feeling more confident that there will be some impacts here, and prepare for some icy conditions, prepare for slick travel, prepare for some power outages. But there will be some areas that won't get it as bad as others. Now, take a look at this. This is a widespread winter weather system here that goes all the way back. These warnings and advisories go all the way back to New Mexico, through Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, on up through the Midwest here, to the north of us, and to the north and to the east of us. Numerous states are involved with this. And for us, we're in an ice storm warning for North Georgia, and it's extended down into Metro Atlanta. Along I-20 and northward, roughly, is where we have this warning in advance, in effect here. It does include areas south of I-20, like in parts of Clayton County and Henry County, South Fulton County. You're included in this warning too. To the south of that, these areas in blue that you see, that's where there's a winter storm watch in effect, meaning conditions, it's possible that you would see some icing conditions there, but not as intense of what we're seeing up to the north. Now, on Saturday night and into Monday morning, that's where we have the potential for some significant icing and accumulations there. Dangerous travel, also some power outages are possible. Now, we've been breaking this down for you, even though you see all of those counties that are included in this ice storm watch. Not everybody will be experiencing the same conditions. You have the major impacts to the north and east of us, and then moderate impacts in northwest Georgia through Metro Atlanta, out I-20 on the east side, and then south of that, minor impacts. So let's talk about northeast Georgia first. You see that right here? That's what you're seeing in red. And when we're talking northeast Georgia, we're really talking north and east of Atlanta, including parts of DeKalb County, Fulton County, over into areas of Walton County, Jackson County, Barrow County as well, that area up toward the north. We can see ice totals over 1/2 inch with dangerous to impossible travel that's going to be taking place in these areas, and widespread power outages. Not only widespread, but power outages that are most likely going to last a long time too. Now let's move to Metro Atlanta. You see that here. That is the moderate part here over Metro Atlanta into northwest Georgia, as well as I-20 over on the east side. Ice totals there, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Difficult travel is going to be more likely, or most likely here, and more scattered outages, meaning not too widespread, but there will still be a numerous amount of power outages here for the metro area. Then in the far south and southwest of us, in the yellow color here, that's where we'll have some more minor impacts, with ice generally glazing to around 1/4 inch. Still the potential for some slick power, maybe some power outages, but again, not as many as what we have been seeing. So the timeline is going to look like this. Still, we're thinking on Saturday we'll begin to see some mixing in the afternoon in north and northeast Georgia. Metro Atlanta should be okay until after sunset, and that's when it's going to get colder here, and when that moisture will move in, and we'll begin to see some untreated roads turning slick. It's going to be really later Saturday night, overnight into Sunday. We're going to see more of the accumulation, temperatures dropping into the 20s. So as that precip moves into that cold air, it is going to be in the form of freezing rain. Roads are going to be turning slick and icy there too. And then on Sunday, the winter weather continues. We're going to see that power outage threat increasing as the wind starts blowing more. And we're going to be watching those temperatures closely in the afternoon. If we could get some warmer air from the south to move in here and bring us up above freezing for a few hours, that would help kind of curtail the buildup of any additional ice. But we do think that the slick conditions are going to persist at least into Monday and maybe even beyond. And we'll keep you posted on that and have more on the timeline on the maps here with our forecast track. We'll talk about that in just a little bit.